A very good morning to all my children of UKG. Children, I'm Judy Madam, and now I'm going to give you your English class. Now open your reader, page number 18. On, O-I-N, in. On or in. Now children, these pictures shows that the nouns in them, the articles in them are on or in something. Okay. Now let us go to on, on. What is the meaning of on? Now you have a table. Take your book and put the book on the table. Now your book is on the table. Get a glass of water and put it on the table. The glass of water is on the table. Okay, children? On. Now take a cap and put it on your head. The cap is on your head. Okay? Now the word in, I-N, in is some article which you put inside something. Okay? Now see in the picture, the hen is inside the box. It is in the box. In. Now you see a mummy's purse. When you open a purse, you can see money in the purse. We keep the money in the purse. Okay? Not on, ins. It will be a container or a purse or something that we keep things in. Now you go to the kitchen and you see your rice tin. Okay, your dabba. The tin, you see the rice in the tin. Are you keeping the rice on the tin? No. We keep the rice inside the tin and we close the tin. Okay. The rice is in the tin. And when you cook in the vessels, then things, whatever we cook like dal is cooked in the cooker. Okay. Rice is cooked in your Dikshi container. Like that. So children, let us do on and in lesson. So today you have to read this. Read. A cat on a ball. See the ball, children? The cat is on the ball. If the cat is in the ball, will that be a ball? No, it will be the ball will be burst. So the cat is on the ball, on a ball. A cat on a ball. Now children, read. A C-A-T, cat. O-N, on. A B-A-L-L, ball. A cat on a ball. You have to point out and read. Now next picture. A hen. It is in the box. That's a box. So let us read. A H-E-N, hen. I-N, in. A B-O-X, box. A hen in a box. The hen is sitting inside the box. So a hen in a box. Next picture. A B-O-Y, boy. O-N, on. A M-A-T, mat. A boy on a mat. Yes, when you put your mat down, have you got a mat at home? Put it down and you sit on it. You are sitting on a mat. You are not sitting in a mat. Or you are not sitting under the mat. You are sitting on the mat. So this boy also sitting on a mat. A boy on a mat. Next picture. A C-A-T, cat. I-N, in. A T-I-N, tin. A cat in a tin. Okay. So a cat in a tin. That's a tin. And the cat is inside the tin. And I think the cat is trying to come out also. Anyway, the cat is in the tin. Not on a tin. It's in a tin. Okay. A cat in a tin. Next picture. A M-O-U-S-E, mouse. A mouse. I-N, in. A M-U-G, mug. A mouse in a mug. The little mouse is inside a mug. Now, next picture. A R-U-L-E-R, ruler. O-N, on. A B-O-O-K, book. A ruler on a book. See the ruler, the scale, which you draw a line. A ruler on a book. The ruler is on the book, not inside the book. Now again, children, we will read. I am reading and you will read after me. I cannot hear you, but you should do it there. A cat on a ball. A hen in a box. A boy on a mat. A cat in a tin. A mouse in a mug. A ruler on a book. Now children, keep this book away. Now open the workbook, English workbook. Page number 12. We have finished page 10 and 11, the vowels. Now we go to page number 12.
Me, article.